Hello everyone, I hope all you are doing really great. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set your keyboard shortcut inside the QGIS right here. Because if you want to raise the bar in your productivities, like get the things done on time, avoid waste of the time and stuff like that, it's really important to use this clue. So the first thing that we're gonna do here is move your browser here to settings, and then keyboard shortcuts. We're gonna click here, and then you can see a whole bunch of them, a whole bunch of the settings here, the plugins and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you just like the basic ones here that I already had. I already got it done here. For example, add point feature. Add point add point feature. For example, I already put the letter A here. Like for example, if you want to change it, just scroll down here and change and hit change A again. And then I click change and put the letter A. Yeah, I'm gonna put another one for you here, like paste feature. It's really important. I put the letter V. If you don't like the letter V, for example, you just click here, scroll down and change and put the shortcut, whatever you want. It's up to you. Feel free to choose it. Okay, like copy feature is it's really important. I put the letter C here, like open attributable tables, like open attributable tables. I put the letter M here. And as I told you, you can choose whatever one here. Like, let me see the another one, toggle editing, because it's really useful inside a QGIS here. I put the letter D. Uh, let's see, if you wanna like scroll down here, you're supposed to see a whole bunch of the plugins and the settings here inside the QGIS layout. Uh, okay, if you want to choose, just go for it. It's a whole bunch of them. I really recommend you just start choosing the keyboard shortcut that you're more familiar, you have been using a lot in your daily routine. Then choose all of them. Okay, I'm gonna show you here. I already have one project here that I'm working on it, and I'm gonna show you like I really wanna firstly open the attributable tables. I'm gonna just press the letter Z here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna press the letter N here, and I'm gonna see like the attributable tables about this project here. You can see the attributable table. I don't have any information yet because, as I told you, I'm working on it. If I want to create, like for example, the right here, like the new shape file layer, I don't need to like move my browser in a long way to click here. For example, I just press the letter Z and I'm supposed to create it. If you I'm gonna disable this feature here. For example, if I want a total editing in a normal way, I need to go here, right? And turn it around. But right now, I just press the letter T, and I put this to work, as you can see here. It's changed the color. And right now, I'm gonna show you how you can like delete some features and things like that. I'm gonna select the features here. I press the letter S here, and I'm gonna delete all of them. I put the letter D and I'm supposed to delete stand off. So I'm gonna select it, stand off, move my browser here, scroll up and select feature. I just press the letter S, and like as I told you, I wanna delete this, and stand off, go here in a long way, select delete. I just press the letter D. For example, here, if I wanna add one feature here, one point, I'm gonna press the letter A, and I already got one point here. For example, if I wanna delete this one, as I told you again, I select delete. I'm gonna add 2 points here, for example, one, two, three. Yeah, guys. So one thing that it's really important right now, if I want to share my keyboard shortcuts with a coworker, for example, how can I do? Like the thing that we're gonna do here is go here again in keyboard shortcuts and save it. I can save it as a PDF. I'm gonna show you. For example, I'm gonna put it in my desktop here. I'm gonna put just one information here. I'm gonna put this. Save as a type. I'm gonna type it as PDF and save it. And let's go there to show it. It's really important if I'm like in a workflow or in a workplace, I need to share it like to everyone working the same way. It's really important here. I'll open a removal table. I have the letter N here, and you can scroll down and see like all of those changes that I've got it done. So that's a good way to share with your coworker. But the really good one is one that I'm gonna show you. That's really important. Like if I want to export the change and put the change in another laptop and another QGIS, you can do it. Like just click here in a keyboard shortcut and save my information. I'm gonna save here, save user shortcuts. I'm gonna save it again. Let's put here XML. XML is a kind of file that you need to do, right? You can put the name whatever you want. I'm gonna just put this one to show you guys. Save as a type. Make sure it's really important. Check it out if you're gonna save with this file here, .xml. You're gonna save it. Yeah, as you can see here, like if I want to share it with a friend and stuff like that, or change the computer settings, I can like input this one here. I'm gonna show you if I work in another computer, like the different one, I just can click here, keyboard shortcuts and loading. I can get the file, this one, and it's already the same settings because I got the same one here, and it's really important, guys. If you want to have any question, things like that, feel free to ask me. It was a pleasure, like teach you like those basic things that it's really useful in your daily routine, guys.